In the T-SQL programming language, the CONCAT string function is used to concatenate multiple expressions. I will show you with examples how the CONCAT function works. It can combine an infinite number of expressions into the CONCAT function this way. Let's do examples in SQL Server to better understand how the function works. Actually, we don't have to use the CONCAT function to concatenate string expressions. The same data types can be combined using plus. You can also do the concatenation with the CONCAT function. It shows the same result. But with plus, only data with the same data types can be combined. In the example, two string data are concatenated. However, string and integer data cannot be combined. Let's do one more example to understand better. I am creating a table. The table has been created. It doesn't show up in the Tables tab yet. We can see the table by clicking the Refresh button. We can see all the features of the table from this tab. Colon information is here. Let's take a look at the data in the table with the Select command. The table does not have any data yet. Let's add some data using the Insert into command. Now the table has several data. Let's try the following Select command. Column merging with plus failed. Because first and second name columns are varchar, employee ID column has integer data type. As I said in the previous example, varchar and integer data types cannot be combined with plus. It can be displayed on the screen using a comma without plus in the Select command. But sometimes we want to see all the information in the same column. But merging with plus doesn't work. The data types of the columns in the table are not suitable for concatenation with plus. In such cases we use the CONCAT function. Columns with different data types can be combined using the CONCAT function. Thanks for watching. In this video, we learned what the CONCAT function does. You can like the video and subscribe to the channel to support us.